The wind was southeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.93 inches and falling. At St. Pete Clearwater Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 80.
Tropical storm warning in effect. A tropical storm warning in effect for the following counties in Florida: coastal Citrus, coastal Hernando, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Levy, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota, inland Citrus, inland Hernando, inland Hillsborough, inland Levy, inland Pasco and Pinellas.
These are the 11 a.m. observations for the local area on Sunday, June 5th.